welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because this is one of my favorite videos to film ever. I am working with Fabfitfun one more time to bring you guys an exclusive look into their winter box. What's really cool about Fabfitfun now is that you can actually customize what you want in your box, and I did that, and I'm so excited to share what I picked. Some of you may know this, but each box is $49.99, but they're worth well over $200 because you do receive full-size products. How freaking amazing! What's cool is that my friends over at Fabfitfun gave me a code so that you can get $10 off your first box. Now, before we get started and I show you all the goodies in my box, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss videos with me again. I will wait until you hit that button. Hey. All right, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so we have the winter box right here, and if I'm being 100% honest, I really don't remember what I chose. Okay, it's gonna be a surprise for both you and I. Woo, buddy. So it's packaged nicely. Oh man, my eyes are drawn to so many things. Let's just go with this. This is Color Switch, an instant brush cleaner. Oh man, this is gonna make my life so much easier because, more honesty, I don't wash my brushes as much as I should. So having this right by my sink is gonna be key. I can just swash it, swish it, swash it, and then not have to think twice. So very, very excited for this, guy. Okay, next we have makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. Huh? This is what it looks like. Looks like one of those old erasers. I'm very intrigued, so let's open her up. Oh my gosh, how cute is this packaging? That's really cute packaging, and it's a wipe. Not a wipe, but like a towel kind of? Interesting. So apparently you use this to wipe your makeup off. I'm gonna have to try this and let you guys know what I think. Oh, here, how to use. Wash, wet, erase, exfoliate. Wash approximately 1 to 2 times per week. Oh, so you just wet this with water, put it on your face, take it off, and then cleanse your face and exfoliate. Now it says here, thank you for joining our movement. Your purchase is helping eliminate the third most wasteful product in the world. Wipes. Yikes. I didn't realize. I mean, I guess when you think about it, that is just a lot of waste. I'm very excited to try this. Very, very intrigued, and I will let you know and report back on how I like this. Do any of you have that? Have you used it before? If you have, let me know below because, again, I'm very, very intrigued. Okay, next we have Soft Focus Glow Drops. Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. Heck yes, because you know I like to glow all the time. You know what I'm saying? I did a little subtle glow today since it's still like noon. But I have been looking for drops that I can mix with my foundation. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. That I can mix with my foundation and have that glow all over my face. I just want to try it, so we're going to try it right now. I'm such a bad makeup guru. Oh, it's so subtle. It's like ridiculously subtle because, you know, there are some shines. Actually, it's like a little too subtle. Let's try that again. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna have to oh yeah, she's glowing right there. You see that? Oh, I am pumped to try this with my foundation tomorrow. Next up, we have Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Dry Bar. This is gonna come in very handy because you can't see it now, but I have really, really, really curly hair, and I have to detangle my hair in the shower or else it won't get detangled. So I'm really excited to try this out and see if it works on my curly hair, because my curly hair is a little bit, how do I say, does not work well with others. Products, of course. So I am really, really pumped to try this out. Get it pumped? Next up, we have this cute little bag. This is the Sidekick Gray Moto from Vooray. This is what it looks like. Let's open her up so you guys can take a look a little bit more closely. Oh, it feels really nice. Oh, so cute. So you can hold it like this, or you can put her right like that. How cute is that? This is like a baby blue mint type color. It feels like neoprene, and this is perfect if you just want to throw in like your phone, your wallet, if you want to just like head to the gym or even grocery store really quickly. I am very excited. You know what you could also do is put this as like a fanny pack. Oh, hold on. That just got me real hype. I'd have to see if I can make this. This is as small as it gets, so hopefully my hips are wide enough. Yes, ma'am. Look how cute. I'm gonna move back so you guys can see. How stinking adorable is that? Okay, I just found my new favorite bag. Speaking of, these are the new joggers. You guys, I have not stopped wearing them. You like that? I know I do. Launches very soon, I promise. Okay, moving on. Oh boy, look what I just saw. Just in time. Okay, so this is PJ Salvage, and they're just slippers. Not just slippers, comfy slippers. Oh man, I'm so pumped. So I got the medium large. Hopefully my big feet fit, because your girl is like almost a size 11, 10 and a half, 11. So I remember that these was one of the ones that I customized. So I was like, heck yeah, I need slippers. We're just gonna try them on right now. Is that weird, taking off my socks? Ooh, these are comfy, cozy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let's just take this one off. Oh, Jess. These are real comfy. They've got the fur inside. Can you guys see? Probably not. But take my word for it. Super, super comfy. Look, you've got the little knit on the outside, and then you've got the fur on the inside to keep your little footsies warm. Put them back in there. All right, moving on. Ooh, this is Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. You know I'm a sucker for all things that smell nice and relaxing and spa-like, so hopefully... Wow. Excuse me while I go shower with this, because that smells amazing. And it's not... I like lavender, do not get me wrong, but sometimes it's a little overpowering for me. So it smells a little bit like peppermint, spearmint, minty with lavender, which is literally my favorite combination of oils to mix. Lavender and peppermint or spearmint. Eucalyptus, that's what it is, eucalyptus, not spearmint. Lavender and eucalyptus is my favorite mix. Oh, and last, but certainly not least, this is a little heavy. This is from Unhide For Love, Not Fur. Okay, this is heavy for a blanket, so kind of, oh, all right. Is this one of those like heavy weighted blankets? Because if it is, you just lost me. This is the coziest box ever. And if this doesn't make you just want to hibernate all winter, I don't know what does. You know what I'm saying? Anybody want to come over and have a hibernation spa party with me? You are more than welcome. Holy moly. You guys, I really wish you could feel this right now. Yep. You've lost me. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is like the softest cocoon that has ever lived. Wow, I am so hyped right now. I do have to be careful though, because my dogs cannot get near this and ruin it. This is gonna be a problem because I'm not gonna want to get off my couch. Okay, so I just walked out to show Taz all of this and he was like, dang, hook me up. So guys, this is an amazing box. But I wanted to mention one more thing about this. I despise when something soft, whether it be a jacket, a blanket, whatever, is like super soft and cozy on the outside, but the inside is like regular fabric. Like, who are you fooling? Like, that's not good. So I'm obsessed that this has a soft texture on the inside and on the outside. Whatever way it hits you, you're gonna get cuddled up. So I love this, love this, love this. The company is Unhide, I believe. I saw the tag somewhere. I'll leave all the products that I got in the description box below so you guys can check it out if you want to customize them yourself and get what I got. This is the Unhide For Love, Not Fur. This is so nice, you guys. I can't express that enough. I am so happy with everything that I chose. Like I mentioned earlier, this box is like the perfect hibernate and spa with your girlfriends. Let me know what products you loved, what not so much, and what products you would choose if you could only choose one out of this box. Again, if you've never tried Fabfitfun, you can get $10 off your first box with code YAMI10. That'll just let Fabfitfun know that I sent you, and it'll just strengthen my relationship with them. So if you do use my code, thank you so much in advance. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah!